2016 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, power windows, MP3 player, trip computer, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.